get me wrong, trying to knock it, just that I'm out in the market for a boy who wants to love only me. I ain't saying you ain't pretty. All I'm saying is I'm not ready for any person, place, or thing trying to pull the reins in on me. Different Drum by Stone Ponies, which was Linda Ronstadt's first band. And I've seen quite a few groups cover it. It's really kind of a 60s dated song, but it's a good song. It has the C to G walk down. And that's the verse. So you got a C chord, then you go B over C on the A string, 2nd fret. And then you go to A minor 7, and then finally to G. You can play arpeggios, or you can strum it. I think they strum it on the recording. And then, so that's the verse, and then the chorus is F, G, F, G, C. It's kind of a long chorus. Down to C to G, and then E, play 7 D minor, play F there too if you want to substitute that. Pull the reins in to G. So that's it is kind of a long chorus. F, G, C. And it kind of starts over. F, G. Same walk down as the verse. And then after that it goes to D. I go to D minor, but you could also go to F if that's easier for you. A lot of this walk down. All right, and that's how you play it. Thanks for watching. Have fun.